again. It's a red stick.
Welcome back to another video. So I've got some new glitters from Colours World. I thought I'd quickly show you and let you know. Colours World have also got a website, and he has started adding the option to get collections in just 3 gram, and they work out so cheap, guys. I think you can get collections of 12 for like $6.99 free delivery. So I'm going to leave the link to the website below. He's not got all of them on there yet. They are all available, but they're not all available in 3 gram. Some of them are available in 5 gram, which still works out really cheap. But yeah, along with AliExpress now, we've got the website that is adding a lot of 3 gram options, and the bags are huge. There's plenty in these bags. Let me show you. Like, this is a 3 gram bag, and there's plenty in it, guys. I'll never get, yeah, you'll never get through a full 3 gram bag. And if you do get through a full 3 gram bag, it's because you love it. Like, there's just plenty in there, isn't there? That's perfect for me. And if it means I can get more collections cheaper, I'm all for it. But yeah, that is just a 3 gram bag. A couple of these collections I'm going to really struggle to show you in the bags. I might have to tip some of them out. So let's see if I can show you without opening them up. So this collection is TCT 721. And this first one is, this collection is a collection of 12, and it's all hex mix. So this one has got in it, should I bring you down just a tad? Bring that other light on. It's like green and gold and copper. Yeah, kind of thing. A couple of these collections I've got because I thought they'd be brilliant for Christmas and Halloween. This is quite a random set, this set. They're all quite different. So this one obviously is green, but it's got like some solid green and some transparent green in there. Then it's got some iridescent in there that's got that purpley blue kind of shift. That's a good Halloween one, isn't it? Cool, I like it. And then this one, oh, this is a nice one. This has got matte. Can you see? It's got matte hex in there, along with the metallic shiny blue hex. And then it's got some really pale iridescent light blue. I like this one. So this one hasn't got the big hex. This is small hex and fine. I really like that one. And this one, this is like small hex and medium hex. 2 different colours of yellow. And then it's got like a burnt orange metallic. That's a cool one, isn't it? Again, it's a mixture of matte, metallic, holographic. Look at that sparkle. It's nice, isn't it? This one, again, is matte red and matte yellow, I think. But then it's got this small pinky purple iridescent. That's a very pretty one, isn't it? I like that. These are really unique. And this one is more of a kind of transparent-ish. Wow, look at that. Blue, it's got like that mirror effect kind of iridescent to that one. And this is a nice one for Christmas. So this has got silver hex in there and red. Yeah, I think that one's just silver and red. Is it? Oh no, I think it's got bits of gold in there as well. Like a, yeah, I can see little shifts of gold in amongst that. Very sparkly Christmas one. And this one, oh, look at this. Purple, but it's got a really bizarre iridescent green kind of colour shift. Look at that. Halloween, Hocus Pocus. If that had to have a name, I would call it Hocus Pocus. That would look so smart on a black nail, wouldn't it? I like that one. This one's cool. Purple, yellow and green. I would never put them colours together, but I like it. Again, I'm getting Halloween vibes. Mardi Gras. That reminds me of Mardi Gras. Can you see? Like a medium hex, and then it's got small hex and a fine. Yeah, Mardi Gras vibes I'm getting from that, definitely. This one is, again, this is a mixture of matte, metallic and hollow. So the matte is purple, and then it's got holographic purple. Oh wow. Can you see it's got the matte and the holographic? Again, look at the sparkliness. That's a pretty one. We need to get a shimmy on because I've got a few collections here. And this one, red, blue in matte, and then it's got gold and green metallic. Look at the gold, it's like textured. Can you see the gold? It's got like little textures on it. These are really, really unique, aren't they? Look at that. Cool. And lastly out of this collection is this one. I'm not actually keen on this. So this is red, and it's got like a pink colour shifting kind of iridescent in there. I'm not quite keen on that one, actually. But it is very unique. Can you see that pink shift in there? So bizarre, isn't it? This next one is a cool collection. I was hoping this would arrive in time for Halloween. This is going to be a messy one, I can tell already. It's got all different colour gold leaf. Can you see it all? Oh my gosh. So this is actually a Halloween mix, Halloween collection, and it is TCT 592. They have got 3 or 4 collections. I'm going to tip some of these out to show you. It's going to take me forever to get through these, so I'm going to leave some of them in the bag. I think this is my favourite one out of the lot. This has got really pale lilac gold leaf in it, and then it's got this really, really pale kind of green hex with the pale lilac metallic. I love that lilac in amongst the green. I think there's 2 different colours of green in there, light green or maybe a yellow. That is a pretty one. I like that one a lot. Hell of a lot. This is dark green matte, and it's got black hex mix, and then it's got all them little shiny bits you can see is green leaf. Yeah, it's just completely matte, black and green with the shiny leaf in there. Gorgeous. Again, this has got green leaf in it. This is all metallic. It's got that pale green. Gosh, I'm trying to go as fast as I can, but right, this has got pale green, dark green, purple and gold in there. All sorts in there, and it's got the green leaf again. Very Halloweeny, isn't it? Very Halloweeny. I love that. And then this one, I don't like this one. This is a really bizarre one. Really bizarre. So this has got red leaf in it, but it's, I mean, it might be alright for an autumn set. It's got like a transparent red, transparent grey, yellow, and red gold leaf in there. Really bizarre mix, that one, isn't it? Yeah. Not keen on that one. Right, this is a nice one. So this is just black and red. Black and red. Has it got gold leaf in it? Yep, this is black and red hex mix. And it's got shiny red leaf in there. It's hard to find the red leaf, but it's in there. I love that one. I like that one a lot. Definitely Halloween mix, isn't it? This is jam-packed with red leaf. Oh, wow. This has got 2 different types of red hex, but they're kind of transparent. That would look really smart on a set with blood drips. I love that. I really like that. That is so unique. So unique. All different types of red and black, but they're slightly transparent with the shiny red leaf. It's a shame because they're so much nicer in real life. Yeah, these are all full of coloured leaf. It's getting everywhere. This one, green, blue, pinky purple, black. That's a pretty one. That's a good fun trick-or-treat Halloween set, isn't it? I love it. What colour's the gold leaf in that one? Oh, that one's got just gold leaf in it. And black leaf. It's got gold leaf and black leaf. Cool. Right, let's get a shimmy on. This one, this has got the transparent blue and the transparent grey. They're kind of textured. I'll show you a mix in a minute. Yeah, that's got these in. Even the blue hex are textured. These are so cool. And this one, this has got purple gold leaf. Wow, look at these. These are so smart. I should tip them all out really, but guys, it's going to take me forever. This one, so this one's light green, dark green, and then it's got metallic purple. I like that. That's a pretty one. And lastly, for this collection, we've got that kind of olive green. Oh, I like this. So this has got that kind of olive green and it's got black mixed in with it. Gold leaf. Yeah, it's got bits of gold leaf. Wow, I love these. They're so unique and different, aren't they? Right, so this one's got black leaf and gold leaf mixed in with it. So again, that one was TCT 592. And you might get samples written on the ones that are 3 gram. Yeah, because I think that's what they use when stores and shops are buying them. I think that's what they send out. I'm not sure, but I think you get plenty in these 3 gram bags. I really, really do. Shall we just quickly show you one more? I'll show you one more because I don't have to open these or anything. I can just rush through this set. So these are all metallic, but they are matte. I bought a lot of matte glitters recently, but these are completely different. Can you see? They are metallic, but they're matte, if that makes sense. And they're all just small hex mix. Beautiful colours. So we've got a blue. Oh, I didn't tell you what this one is. TCT 582. So we've got that blue. Beautiful. I've got these to do mixes with. These are going to make fantastic mixes. We've got a couple of greens. They do look a lot more similar on camera. They are different. But this is the light green that's mixed in with some of these. Yeah, I can't be bothered showing you. Then we've got a couple of purples. Look at that lilac. That is beautiful. That lilac is what's mixed in with some of these and some of these, I think. Beautiful, aren't they? Completely matte, but they are metallic. But they're not shiny, if that makes sense. Right, and then we've got quite a few pinks. We've got these 4. Like, these 2 look identical to me. They really do. Can you see the little textures they've got on them? Like little zebra stripes. Aren't they cool? Yeah, and these 2 are different. Look at the little zebra stripes. I love it. And then we've got these. These are very similar again, but they are different. And lastly, we've got this kind of yellow gold. Yeah, that was a quick collection to show you. I love it. I love all of these. Anyway, guys, I'm going to have to leave it there because I think I've got another 4 collections in total that I've bought. I'll save them for another video. But, yeah, I think this Halloween set, if I had to have one set out of all these, it would be this one. Like this blood red one with all the different colour reds. Oh, they're just so nice, but they are messy. And this one with the pale lilac, gold leaf. beautiful. Anyway, guys, yeah, I'm going to leave it there. I'll leave links below. If you go to Colours World on AliExpress as well, they've got a lot more choice. I'll leave as much info and links below as I can. But yeah, that's going to have to be it for today, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.